This is a brand new 2015 Ford Super Duty. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 6.7-liter V8, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, a remote start feature, power adjustable driver pedals, a cooled passenger seat, speed-sensitive volume controls, skid plates, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, Wi-Fi hotspot capability, aluminum wheels, front and rear floor mats, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, air conditioning, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Hollingsworth Richards Ford is located at 7787 Florida Boulevard in Baton Rouge. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits. And as always, remember, at Hollingsworth Richards, we're making deals every day.